everyone, thanks for tuning into my video. I'm Judy and today I want to show you how you can get access to the US version of Netflix while you're still here in the UK. So for me, I love my Disney films and I really wanted to watch Moana, but I realised it wasn't actually available on my UK version. So I had a quick look online and I found that I could get it on the US version while I'm still here in the UK by using a VPN service, and I'm going to show you how you can do exactly the same. So for those of you who don't know, a VPN or a virtual private network is basically a piece of software that allows you to access geo-restricted content, and VPNs are also really useful for if you are using the internet in a public place and you just want that extra bit of protection for your personal data. So we're going to jump over to my computer now and I'm going to show you how I got set up and popcorn ready to watch Moana. Okay, so firstly, let me just show you that I'm on the UK version of Netflix. I'm going to go up to the search bar here and type Moana, and you'll see that nothing comes up when I search for that. So I'm going to head on over to my VPN service and I'm going to type strongvpn.live, and you can type it as I have done here or simply click the link in my video description and it will take you over to strongvpn.live. And I really enjoy using StrongVPN because it's so simple to set up, and they do actually have a 24-hour live support for if you do need that extra bit of help or assistance when you're setting things up. Okay, so we're going to click join now, and here you'll see that there's two plans to choose from. You've got the 12-month plan or the monthly plan. And today I am going to be sharing with you a 20% discount code, and in a second I'll be showing you just how you can apply that. So first of all, you just need to select the plan that works best for you. And then next, you just need to enter your email address into this box here. And then after that, simply just select your preferred payment method. And it's here that you're going to scroll down and click have a coupon. And it's now that we'll redeem that 20% discount code, and that's strong LC20. That's strong LC20. So make sure you make a note of that. And once you've done so, click apply. And there you go. There you'll see that that discount has been applied, and you can benefit from that by using strongvpn.live. Okay. And then once we've done all of that, just click join now. So once you've done this, you'll receive an email with your password and a link that will take you to a download page. But for this video, I'm just going to click back because once I click VPN apps, this is actually the same screen that you'll be sent in your email. So you'll notice that on this page, it will recognize what device you're using. So for me, it's a Windows. So we're going to click download client for Windows. Once that's downloaded, you just need to click the download file here, and at this point there might be a pop-up. If there is, just click yes, and then next you'll see the StrongVPN setup where you just need to click next and have a quick read through the license agreement and scroll to the bottom there, and when you've done that you just need to click the box that says I accept, and then click next, and then click next again and install. And then you just want to click yes on the next pop-up that comes up and wait for that to download, and then click run. Yes again, and then you just wait for that to come up, and then the next thing you'll see is your StrongVPN client window, and it's here that you can choose your desired country just by scrolling through this drop down list here. And for me, I'm going to go with United States, Dallas, and click save. And then I'm going to click connect. And then while that's connecting, you'll soon see that in no time at all, you are now connected to Dallas, United States. So what I'm going to do next is head on over to Netflix again. So now we are on the American version of Netflix now, and just to prove that to you, I'm going to type Moana, and look, there it is. Hey look, and even Coco's available to stream. Oh, I'm definitely going to be watching that one next. And that's all there is to it really. I honestly really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you do need anything else at all, just message me and I will do my very best to help you. Enjoy, guys!